Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making frog bread, which is bread that is shaped to look like a frog. There's a trend going around on the internet of making frog bread, so I figured I'd join in because it seems like a lot of fun. I'm super excited to do this. So the dough I'll be making is a sweet matcha dough, so it'll actually be green, which I think is super cool and will make this just like really fun. I'm super excited, so let's get started. To begin, combine the whole flax seed with the water. Leave for 15 minutes and then strain. In a small saucepan, warm the sugar, coconut milk, and vegan butter over low heat. Heat to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer if you need to, because if the mixture is too hot, it will kill your yeast. Pour the coconut milk mixture in a large bowl. Add the yeast and let sit on the counter for a few minutes. Next, add 3 tablespoons of the flax gel. Add the flour, matcha, and salt. Combine with your hands or a bench scraper. Knead for 10 minutes. Oil a large bowl. Place the dough in the bowl and coat with oil. Cover and ferment for 1.5 hours. For each frog, measure out 1 62-gram piece, 2 4-gram pieces, 4 2-gram pieces, and 2 1-gram pieces. Round each piece of dough. To round the large piece of dough, press each piece together. Form into a rough ball. Cup your hand over the dough and make quick circular motions, slightly pressing the dough into the board. Roll a flat hand over the dough one time. Flatten each 2-gram piece. Use a sharp knife to cut 3 toes on each piece. Transfer to a baking tray and brush with the remaining flax gel. Place the body on top of the feet and arrange as needed. Brush with the flax gel. Brush the 1-gram pieces with flax gel and attach where eyes would be. Press down the remaining 2 pieces. Brush with flax gel. Attach to the body above the back legs. Brush with flax gel. Use a sharp knife to cut the mouth. If you'd like, top the frogs with chopped pistachios. Cover with a clean towel and proof for 30 minutes. Bake at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes.
Alright, I hope y'all had fun with that. I definitely did. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. And I'll see you next week with another video.